Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll show you how to write a recommendation letter for a student. This document serves as a formal endorsement of a student's abilities, character, and potential. Begin with your name, followed by your position or title, and the name of your school or organization. Make sure to include your contact information so the recipient can reach out if needed. After that, include the date the letter is being written. The letter should begin with a formal greeting, such as "to whom it may concern," unless you know the specific recipient. This sets the tone for a professional recommendation. After that, write, "I am pleased to recommend student's full name for specific purpose, e.g., admission to a college, scholarship, etc. As your role, e.g., their teacher counselor, I have had the privilege of witnessing their academic dedication and personal growth firsthand. Student's first name consistently demonstrates exceptional. Mention qualities like academic performance, critical thinking, or leadership. For instance, in my specific subject class, they not only excelled academically but also contributed to class discussions with insightful perspectives, showing their ability to grasp complex concepts. Beyond academics, students' first name stands out for their strong character and drive. They have a natural ability to collaborate with peers, often taking the lead in group projects while ensuring everyone's voice is heard. They mention other qualities like commitment to extracurricular activities, volunteer work, or leadership roles, further highlights their well-rounded personality. I have no doubt that students' first name will continue to excel and make meaningful contributions wherever they go. Sincerely, your full name, your title designation. Here's our sample recommendation letter for a student. You'll notice how it clearly highlights the student's strengths, such as academic performance, personal qualities, and any relevant extracurricular involvement. It also provides essential details about your relationship with the student, such as your role and how long you've known them. By following this format step by step, you can create a strong and professional recommendation that effectively supports the student's application. This letter helps the recipient understand the student's potential and qualifications. And with that, I end this video. If you found this writing guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on drafting recommendation letters.